Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from iGamer.me. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exciting new features that we've been working on over the month on the iGamer app. So the reason why we've not had an update for quite some time now is because we've been working on a lot of projects. So I'm going to launch the app, the iGamer app, then okay, so the prediction mode, we're going to be using the demo mode. So I click that. Okay, so the panel is here for me to select, for me to log into my iGamer account. Okay, so we have the dragging panel. This is one of the new features that have been added. You see at the bottom right here, you see there's section where you can hold and drag the panel. Okay, so that's one of the features. So let's go ahead and log in. So login details is here already, so I just go ahead and select that and click the login button. Okay, so we're in, and the default prediction, it's a 3+, so it's predicting a 3+ blue. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to check a couple of the prediction before I proceed to other features of the app. Okay, so this is a 3+ blue. On the demo here, I can click on play, then select go to 3+ blue and place the bet. So but I didn't do that. You see, that's a 4+ blue, so we won. Okay, so now the second one, now it's predicting a 3+ green, but like I said, that's not what I want to show you. There are other exciting things I want to show you. So now let's proceed to settings. But before we go to settings, you click on the trading plan. You see there's a trading plan here where you can follow through while you're trading. Okay, then also there is another section called the help section, but I'm going to show you another one. So let's go to settings. Then on the 3+, you can choose save mode. Okay, so save mode means that it's going to show you more than one prediction. Maybe you want to play the two colors at the same time. Okay, so that's what the save mode here predicts. So let's see what the save mode is going to predict to us right here. Okay, it's predicting a 3+ blue and a 3+ red. Okay, so we play a 3+ blue and a 3+ red. 3+ blue and 3+ red. So now there's a trading plan that allows you to trade these two colors right at the same time. It's safer because the chances of you just have one color to deal with now that is out of it and a none. So there's a trading plan that allows you to trade two colors like this. It's more safer than trading one color. So let's see what we get here. Okay, you see, and we won that 3+ blue. Okay, so that is what the save mode here does. Okay, so we're going to proceed to the next one. Now there are other other stuff, gameplays here. We have 2+, 3+, 4+, 5, 6, 49, high, low, none, and soccer. Okay, so I'm going to start with the 49 here, and I'm going to stay on default. There are other ones. There's a save mode and there's multiplayer, but for now let's see how the default goes. Okay, so I'm going to drag this, take it upward. So let's see what we've got for 49. Okay, so it's predicting 13. So it's predicting 13 to come. And there is also a trading plan, okay? Probably not populated. There's a trading plan that you have to follow. Sometimes immediately after it predicts the 13 shows up on the next draw. And sometimes it takes 3 draws, 2 draws, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you must follow the trading plan. Number have a high odd, about 7.8, right? so which gives you more room to trade for a longer period of time till your prediction. You see, 13 comes out right immediately. Okay, so like I said, we've been doing something great. We've been working, studying our models for the AI to better understand the system and adding new features. Okay, so we're going to proceed to the settings now and change it from the default settings to safe mode. Okay, safe mode now is going to predict two numbers as opposed to the default that predicts just one number. Okay, so save mode is going to predict two numbers. So let's see how that goes. And there's also a trading plan, and for sections that trading plans have not been added, we're going to be updating that as soon as we can. Okay, so let's see the two numbers that the prediction. Okay, it said 46 and 18. Okay, so now it's predicting a 46 and 18. Now we're not going to wait for this because of time. We're still going to proceed to the settings again and change it from save mode to multiply. And multiply in numbers predicts three numbers. It gives you three numbers. Okay, so let's see the three numbers that comes. And there's also a trading plan for this. And the beautiful thing about this particular one is that there's a trading plan that if you're playing the three numbers, if one of them shows up along the line, it covers everything for the other numbers. Okay, it covers everything. So let's see what the three numbers are here. Okay, so we have 46, 18, and 29. So let's see what happens, how many times it will go before we can get at least one of the numbers to show up. So like I said, it takes time to build great product, to perfect system and make them better, to train the system, the AI, to model it, to get to understand the system. So we've been working tirelessly from the background, even though it looks as though we've not been, but we're working. See, 18 is here already. Okay, 18 is here already. So now let's see what it's going to predict next. Since 18 has showed up, definitely it's going to change. So now the new three numbers on the multiply, it's predicting is 46, 45, and 29. Okay, so we're going to proceed to something else now that I've gotten this. Okay, we go to game type. The soccer basically predicts 10 odds, 100 odds, and 1,000 odds of games that is going to play next. Okay, by default, it gives you the default play, shows you the 10 odds of game that is going to play for the next day. Okay, 10 odds of the game that is going to play for the next day. So it comes 10 odds. It also have 100 odds and 1,000 odds. Okay, so now why it's showing this is because the game for today, the ones that were put for today is already a new game, a new day, and probably the games have already started. So you have to check ahead for the next day. So the next game you're going to be seeing now is the game for Sunday. Okay, because today is Saturday already. This is 2:27 a.m. Okay, so now when you go to settings, you choose soccer, then you can choose between 10 odds, 100 odds, or 1,000 odds. Okay, so these games are highly, selected from the system, from the AI. Okay, now this is not the least, but the last and the beautiful feature that has been added is the shrink panel. Okay, so now sometimes this panel gets so big that it covers everywhere. I can actually slide my screen like this and take it away, and if I want to get it back, I slide my screen and I bring it down. But even at that, I want a way whereby the screen could still be there but smaller. So there's a system, a feature we added called shrink panel. Go to settings and you see shrink panel here. Okay, so when you click that, it brings a feature that just the panel. So I want to use that on 49. It's beautiful on 49. Okay, it works for other gameplay. I'm gonna show you how it works for other gameplay, but for the moment I want us to see it on 49. So I'm going to click on settings here, then I'm going to go to this, then I'll click on shrink panel. Okay, you see what happens? This is lovely. So now it becomes smaller, right? And it does not obstruct whatever I'm doing. I can drag it from the hand. You see that I can drag it to anywhere I want to drag it to. So, and here is a button I can use to return back, okay, to the bigger screen. So let's switch to multiplay and see how that goes. Since they're going to predict more than one number, okay? So now these are three numbers, 46, 45, and 29. So we now click on settings, go to the settings, and then click on shrink panel, okay? You see the beautiful, panel we have here, very small, very, this is beautiful, okay? So now, whatever happens, the predictions are going and all that, it does not interrupt. It does not cover your screen. You can even see all the 10 predictions that are here while you still have your prediction screen on. So 46 is there, you see? 46 played among the 46, 45, and 29 that it predicted. So I said it earlier that the system is going to get better and better and better. So now it's predicting 22, 45, and 29. And we're still working on more other beautiful features and all that. And as they come, as we're done with them, I'm going to, update you guys. Then let's check one more thing. When you come to the settings, let's switch back. That takes you back to the bigger panel. Click on settings here. You see, you can fund your iGamer wallet. You can fund your Bet Niger wallet. You can refresh. You can click to have access to support. Probably you're having a challenge. You deposit money and it's not reflecting. You can have that support here. Then you can also switch to live. Probably you were on demo, like I was in demo. I came in from demo. I can easily switch to the live prediction right here from this particular place by clicking the switch to live. Okay, so that will now take me to my Bet Niger login screen for me to log in with my credentials. Then it will take me back here again for me to place bet on a real live account. Okay, so that is what that does. Then shrink panel, I already talked about that. Fund Bet Niger wallet. Sometimes you log in, you don't have funds in your Bet Niger. We don't want you to start minimizing the app. I'm trying to go to a browser. We want for you to have access to be able to top up your Bet Niger wallet right from the iGamer app. So that's why that feature has been added. Then we've also added the support. We want to make sure that if you're having a challenge, you can reach out to somebody using a live chat. So from the support page, you can reach out to someone. And for those that are having a challenge, even before now, if you're having a challenge, you can always use that page to submit a support and someone will be there to take care of your challenges. So that'll be all for now, guys. More videos will be releasing now. And if you have any question, you are always free to send an email or use the support page or drop it on the video. So that'll be all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.